What if the most satisfying woodworking project you ever build costs less than $5? Not $5 per board, $5 total. No fancy tools, no expensive materials. Just simple wood, smart ideas, and instant results. Welcome to Craft Catalog. Today we're exploring ultra-budget woodworking projects that prove success in the workshop doesn't depend on money, but on creativity. Many beginners believe woodworking is expensive. They see high-end tools, premium lumber, and complex builds and feel locked out before they even start. But the truth is, some of the most rewarding projects come from the simplest materials. A few offcuts, a single board, or leftover wood can turn into something useful, beautiful, and even profitable. The magic of a $5 project is speed. These builds don't take weeks. They don't require perfect joinery or advanced techniques. They give you quick wins, and quick wins build confidence. When you finish a project fast and it actually looks good, your motivation skyrockets. Ultra-budget woodworking focuses on function first. Small shelves, organizers, stands, trays, and holders solve everyday problems. When something improves daily life, it instantly feels valuable. Add clean lines and smooth sanding, and suddenly that simple piece feels intentional and well-designed. Design matters more than materials. Straight cuts, balanced proportions, and consistency make even cheap wood look polished. When edges are smooth and surfaces are clean, the project feels finished. That's the difference between something that looks homemade and something that looks handcrafted. Finishing plays a huge role too. A light oil, a clear coat, or a simple stain can completely transform low-cost wood. Natural finishes highlight grain and texture, giving the piece warmth and character. Even without stain, a well-sanded surface can look surprisingly premium. These small projects are also perfect skill builders. Measuring accurately, cutting straight, sanding evenly, applying finish cleanly. Every $5 build teaches skills that carry over into bigger projects. You're not just making something cheap, you're building experience. There's also real potential beyond personal use. Small budget builds sell well. People love practical items that feel handmade and affordable. Desk organizers, wall hooks, planters, and storage pieces are always in demand. A $5 project can easily turn into a $15 or $20 product, especially when the design is clean and useful. Midway through your woodworking journey is where momentum matters most. If you enjoy simple projects that build confidence and actually work in real life, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. Your support helps the channel grow and brings you more practical woodworking ideas that deliver real results. Another powerful benefit of ultra-budget projects is creativity. Limits force better thinking. When materials are scarce, design becomes smarter. You learn to see potential in scrap wood, leftovers, and small pieces others might throw away. Over time, these small wins change how you see woodworking. You stop waiting for perfect tools or perfect lumber. You start building now. And building now is how skills grow. The $5 woodworking mindset is about accessibility. Anyone can start, anyone can succeed, and anyone can feel that satisfaction of turning raw wood into something useful with their own hands. Thanks for watching Craft Catalog. Stick around for more smart woodworking ideas that prove you don't need a big budget to build something great.